Are you an older guy wondering how to stand out to younger women? Today we're zeroing in on what younger women really look for in older men. It's not just about your age, it's about certain qualities that can make you truly captivating. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these are and how to showcase them. Ready to catch her eye? Let's jump right in. 1. Show genuine interest. Younger women often prefer older men who show genuine interest in their lives. This means actively listening to their thoughts, engaging with their feelings, and participating in their activities. Demonstrating this kind of interest shows that you value them as individuals, not just as romantic partners. It's about recognizing and appreciating their uniqueness, their ideas, and their experiences, which can be especially meaningful coming from someone with more life experience. 2. Demonstrate reliability and dependability. Younger women often find older men who demonstrate reliability and dependability very attractive. Being reliable in both small and significant matters creates a strong impression. This includes being punctual, keeping promises, and being someone she can count on. This reliability is a sign of maturity and responsibility, qualities that can be particularly appealing to younger women looking for stability and consistency in a partner. 3. Display confidence without arrogance. Younger women are often attracted to older men who can display confidence without tipping into arrogance. This balance is key. It's about being self-assured and comfortable in your own skin while remaining humble and approachable. This kind of confidence is appealing because it suggests a man who knows who he is and what he wants, but is also considerate of others and open to different perspectives. 4. Exhibit emotional maturity. Emotional maturity is a significant draw for younger women. They are drawn to older men who have developed a depth of emotional understanding and can handle feelings and situations with composure. This maturity means being able to manage emotions, communicate effectively, and navigate relationships with empathy and understanding. Emotional maturity suggests a stable and secure partner who can provide support and understanding. 5. Are intellectually stimulating. The ability to engage in intelligent and thought-provoking conversations is another trait younger women often find attractive in older men. This intellectual stimulation goes beyond just sharing information. It's about challenging ideas, inspiring curiosity, and engaging in meaningful dialogue. A man who can offer new perspectives and insightful discussions can be very appealing, as it shows that he values intellect and depth of conversation. 6. Have life experience. Younger women often appreciate the unique life experiences and wisdom that older men bring to the table. These experiences provide a different viewpoint and a richness to the relationship. Older men can share lessons learned, stories of adventures, and insights gained over the years, offering a sense of security and a different perspective on life that can be both comforting and enlightening. This appreciation of life experience speaks to a desire for a deeper connection based on mutual growth and learning. 7. Maintain financial stability. Financial stability is another aspect that younger women can find attractive in older men. This doesn't necessarily mean wealth, but rather the security and stability that comes with financial maturity. It suggests a man who is responsible, has life experience, and can offer a sense of security. This stability can be appealing as it implies a level of life management and foresight that is often developed over time. 8. Possess a sense of security. Offering a sense of safety and security, both emotionally and in life, is something younger women often look for in older men. This encompasses being a supportive partner, providing comfort in times of stress, and being a dependable presence in her life. This sense of security is about more than physical safety. It's about creating a relationship where she feels emotionally supported and confident in the stability of the bond. 9. Are respectful and chivalrous. Acts of respect and chivalry, such as holding doors open or thoughtful gestures, are often well received by younger women. These actions demonstrate a level of respect and consideration that can be particularly endearing. They reflect a man who values manners and shows care in his interaction. Such behavior, when genuine and not performed, can create a positive impression and contribute to a deeper level of mutual respect and attraction. 10. Have a sense of adventure. An attractive quality in older men is maintaining a zest for life, characterized by an openness to new experiences and adventures. Younger women are often drawn to men who, despite their age, are adventurous and willing to explore new activities, travel to new places, or try new things. This sense of adventure can bring excitement to the relationship and shows that age doesn't limit one's enthusiasm for life. 11. Are well-groomed and stylish. Attention to personal grooming and maintaining an age-appropriate yet stylish wardrobe is another aspect younger women find attractive in older men. Well-groomed men who dress stylishly show that they care about their appearance and are in tune with contemporary styles. This attention to detail in appearance suggests self-respect and a level of sophistication. which can be very appealing. 12. Offer wisdom without patronizing. Older men who can share their wisdom and advice without being patronizing or domineering are often preferred by younger women. This involves communicating experiences and insights in a way that is helpful and enlightening, not condescending. The ability to impart wisdom while respecting her intelligence and perspective shows a balance of experience and humility, which can be particularly attractive. It's about guiding, not dictating, which can foster a more equal and respectful dynamic in the relationship. 13. Balance sophistication with playfulness. Younger women often prefer older men who can balance sophistication with a sense of playfulness. This quality is about being able to engage in serious, cultured activities while also being able to relax and have fun. It shows a multifaceted personality that is both mature and youthful. This balance can be particularly appealing, as it demonstrates that the man can navigate different social settings and experiences with ease and enjoyment. 14. Are empathetic and compassionate. Showing empathy and compassion towards others is a trait that demonstrates emotional intelligence, which is highly attractive to younger women. An older man who can understand and empathize with the feelings and experiences of others, including hers, is seen as caring and considerate. This emotional depth shows a maturity that goes beyond years and speaks to the quality of the individual's character. 15. Value their independence. Older men who respect and value a younger woman's independence and individuality are often more appealing. This respect means supporting her ambitions, understanding her need for personal space, and appreciating her unique qualities. It's about a partnership where both individuals can grow independently, yet together. This dynamic is attractive because it's based on mutual respect and a modern understanding of relationships. 16. Have a strong sense of self. A strong sense of self is a grounding and attractive quality in older men. Younger women are often drawn to men who know who they are, what they believe in, and what they want from life. This clarity and self-assuredness can provide a sense of stability and security in the relationship. It suggests a man who has navigated life's challenges and emerged with a solid understanding of himself, which can be a reassuring and attractive trait. 17. Are good listeners. Younger women often prefer older men who are good listeners. Being attentive and genuinely listening to what they have to say is crucial. This skill goes beyond just hearing words. It's about understanding, engaging, and responding thoughtfully to their conversations. An older man who can listen well shows that he values the younger woman's opinions and feelings, which can be very attractive as it fosters a deep, meaningful connection. 18. Show patience and understanding. Displaying patience, especially in understanding generational differences, is key in attracting younger women. This patience reflects a willingness to accept and embrace differences, whether in opinions, lifestyles, or communication styles. Older men who exhibit patience and a non-judgmental understanding of the younger woman's perspective can create a more harmonious and appealing relationship dynamic. 19. Exude a calm demeanor. A calm and composed demeanor, as opposed to impulsive reactions, is often preferred by younger women in older men. This quality suggests a level of self-control and maturity, indicating that the man can handle situations thoughtfully and with poise. A calm demeanor can be a source of comfort and stability in the relationship, qualities that are often sought after by younger women. 20. Demonstrate a sense of humor. A good sense of humor, especially one that transcends generational gaps, is highly attractive. Humor can bridge differences and bring lightness to a relationship. An older man who can share a laugh, make light of life's ups and downs, and connect through humor is often more appealing. This ability to find joy and laughter in various situations is a sign of a positive outlook on life, which can be both refreshing and attractive to younger women. Now that you know what younger women look for in older men, check out the signs a younger woman thinks you're good-looking, or discover the signs she's trying to seduce you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.